So we have just made it to Thurston Peak here, and the climb on the top was pretty tough, I would say. So this is about 9,706 feet. So, and I'm the only one up here, and I've been up here for about 20 minutes just kind of eating and just looking at all the amazing views. So, but we did it. This is the highest point of Davis and Morgan counties. So you get two counties in one peak. So again, happy to be here and to do this. A month ago this time I had a gout flare and it was not fun, and so this was a challenging hike for me, and I won't lie, but it's rewarding when you come up here and do this type of hike. So we did it, and now we can check it off that we did Thurston Peak here. One of the great things about Thurston Peak is you can get a great view of the Great Salt Lake here. And then behind me, you can see Morgan Valley, which is going to be in Morgan County. I actually did a marathon a year ago over the side of the mountain. And again, you just get really cool views and seeing the amazing landscape we have here in northern Utah. So the key thing is when you're doing this, make sure that you bring plenty of water. Watch your footing when you're doing this, because there's a couple times had some close calls of tripping and so forth. So make sure you're just watching your footing as you're doing this. But I think this is noteworthy and it's a big accomplishment coming up here, I would say. So worthwhile of your time if you're into doing these types of hikes and peak bagging overall. So now we're gonna head back down to where we started on this trail. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. And this trail in 17 Thurston Peak was a challenge and required a lot of endurance. I'm glad I did it overall, and see these amazing scenery around here in northern Utah, especially with the fall leaves changing. And this was no easy feat, especially with my circumstance coming back from a gout flare up, but I'm glad I did it and I endured, and no injuries. So if you ever done Thurston Peak, leave a comment below and share your experience. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel for future hiking and travel videos. And remember guys, stay strong and happy hiking. Let's go.